What day is it?
Sunday.
What are we going to do?
Oh, it's Disney World Day.
Disney
World.
Sunday.
Disney Sunday.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look at this. Completely empty. This scene is only slightly different than when we traveled a month ago for Christmas. Just a little bit different. Good morning, guys. It's Disney Day. It's about 4:30 a.m. on Sunday, and we are at the airport, and we are the only ones at the airport. It's awesome. There's no one here, except for the food is all still closed, which is not so awesome because I would love to get some coffee.
Yeah.
But we had a great, smooth morning. Our ride to the airport was super easy and fast, and we're just so excited and so looking forward to Disney. I've got my Disney pullover on and my Disney earrings on. I'm ready. Now we just gotta wait for something to open up so we can get breakfast. How are you feeling?
I'm tired, but my adrenaline's all up, you know, so it's gonna hit me around like 5. I'll be like, what are we doing?
All right, it's time for us to board our bus. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and it's 11 just now. So we are heading to Magic Kingdom. We put our carry-on bags with Bell Services, and I intentionally packed my little fanny pack into Riley's backpack, so we transferred the essentials into that, and we're gonna get on this bus in just a second. In Frontierland, and we've decided to go to Pecos Bill for lunch. So we're gonna head in and find something yummy to eat. All right, so Riley got the nachos, and these are all his toppings. And I got the fajita platter, and these are all my toppings. And we are hungry. We've been up since 2 a.m. Here's what it looks like in here. It's kind of like a southwestern vibe. Reminds us of Texas. Let's eat. We just finished lunch at Pecos Bill, and I think we're just really spoiled with really delicious Tex-Mex. It was not bad, but it wasn't anything amazing.
No.
But it was still good. I mean, it was a lot of food. We really are spoiled in that way.
But I'm glad we tried it.
I know, we're trying to go to almost all new restaurants on this trip. It's quite crowded today, being that it's Sunday and we got here in the dead middle of the day, which we never do. We usually leave the parks during this time, but
there's a lot of stuff shut down. This isn't running because Splash Mountain is closed.
Oh yeah.
So people are kind of crowded too because there's not
as many things. Yeah, but it's very peaceful over here.
Haunted Mansion over there.
Look at our magic bands. Mine has shells on it, and his is Haunted Mansion. Yep. We're heading into Haunted Mansion's gift shop, which is called Memento Mori. I have a very giddy husband. We just left Memento Mori. Riley's happy. He found a lot of things he wants.
There's one.
Oh, there's one of the Pascals. Oh, yeah. This is one of my favorite little secret spots. We stumbled upon Gaston as we were walking through Fantasyland. He's such a riot. We decided to go into The Journey of the Little Mermaid. I believe that's here, and The Voyage of the Little Mermaid is the show in Hollywood Studios. I think I'm right.
Oh yeah, what's the name of this?
I think this is The Journey of the Little Mermaid, and that's The Voyage of the Little Mermaid.
I love this ride.
Why they named them so similarly, we do not know. But this queue is gorgeous.
Yeah.
It says 35 minutes. We're hoping it's shorter than that. A lot of times with the clamshell rides, it is shorter because they are, you know, moving continuously. But it's a lovely queue to wait in regardless.
All right, say hi. Here we are at the Haunted Mansion. Is that clear? Oh yeah, that's pretty clear. We got a fast pass, but the line is super long. It's such a cool house. Here we are. Blair loves this ride. You like this ride?
I do.
It's so good.
We got Dole Whip floats, which are my favorite Disney snack. And the Festival of Fantasy Parade, which is my favorite Disney parade, is about to start, so we are off to a good start. It's just about 3:15 and we just finished watching the Festival of Fantasy Parade, which is so adorable. And watching the little kids see their favorite princesses is like, it makes me cry. We're standing in front of Liberty Tree Tavern, which is where we're going for dinner. But before that, we have a fast pass at Space Mountain. So we're gonna head across the park to Space Mountain and then maybe do some shopping on Main Street or something like that. And then we'll be back over here for dinner soon.
Yeah, sounds good.
This is my favorite side of the castle. How beautiful is that? We are getting on Space Mountain. I love this ride. Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too. We just checked into Liberty Tree Tavern, which is in Liberty Square, and it's meant to be like colonial America. And it's really, really neat. We haven't gotten to see too much of it yet because we're standing in the lobby.
Really cool. It looks like there.
But it looks really neat, so we're looking forward to it. Alright, so the first course is a house salad with fresh baked bread and honey butter. So we're gonna dig in. So we just got our meal. We have mac and cheese, turkey gravy, potatoes, garlic, green beans, pot roast, stuffing, turkey, pork ribs, and cranberry relish. Woo! What do you say?
Thank you.
And our last course is Ooey Gooey Toffee Cake, which looks amazing and we have heard such great things about. So we're looking forward to trying it.
What did you think of Liberty Tree Tavern?
It was pretty yummy. The Ooey Gooey Toffee Cake was by far the best thing.
The best thing, the best thing.
What did you think?
The food was really good overall, very solid. Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The Disney dining plan now allows you to choose specialty or alcoholic beverages. So
Yeah.
I got a glass of champagne and Riley got a beer with dinner, which was super fun.
That was fun. It was a fun experience.
Yeah.
Wasn't like the most breathtaking experience.
No. Yeah.
And I don't think I would want like turkey and stuffing in the fall, in the summer.
No. Oh my gosh, I really would.
It was barely okay right now. So there's our review.
I agree with you on that.
Okay.
Okay. And for the last ride of our night, we had a fast pass for Seven Dwarves Mine Train, which is just so much fun. Now we are going to do a little bit of shopping on Main Street, and then we're gonna head back to our hotel because, as you can imagine, we are wiped out after getting up at 2 a.m. Look at the castle in all her glory. So beautiful. Camera can't do it justice. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. We had a magical first day. Such a good first day. Now we are going back to our resort to check in and unpack and go to sleep. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, we just got checked into our hotel room after a very long but really awesome day traveling from Texas to Orlando and then spending the whole day in Magic Kingdom. And it's just been such a fun day, so I hope you've enjoyed following along with us. We are going to go ahead and unpack. I have our suitcases here, but we haven't started unpacking yet, so it's about 8 p.m. now. We're gonna go ahead and unpack and then go to bed and see if we can get some good sleep since we got like no sleep last night. I really appreciate you guys following along with today's vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. The next 6 to 10 videos on my channel are gonna be all Disney related content. I have 6 more vlogs coming because we're gonna be here for 7 days. I'm also gonna be doing a Disney expectations versus reality video. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that. And also, if you are heading to Disney soon, that is so exciting. I'm so happy for you. Make sure you go ahead and click on my Etsy shop in the link below, in the description box below, because I have all kinds of fun Disney teas for you and your family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.